Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Equity Trader. The time is 9:15 a.m. Markets have just opened and I had just shortlisted a couple of stocks before the start of the day, and I won't be taking any entry on them because I'm filled the gap within the first minute. It was opening right at the resistance from on a 15-minute time frame. So I'm just going to have a look and figure out which stock will be good to enter. Bajaj Finance is looking good. Opened right at the confluence of moving averages. If it does take out the resistance zone at the top, it may give a good movement today. Let's see. I'll update you if I take any trade. My view on Nifty is fairly bearish so far. Though it's recovering fast. If you see, I had marked these zones earlier. It has reversed exactly from there, but it has opened with a strong candle on the downside. It could be a retrace, testing this and then going back, going down further. So my view is going to be on Nifty for right now to take up my next position. If it is able to breach this high, this particular zone, then I will be looking for long side because it has taken support from 18,000, which is a support as well as a psychological support. So this is the support level which I had marked. If it breaches this level, it may go back up. Otherwise, it has filled this gap today. Hi guys, so I've taken up my first trade. It's an Apollo tires. So if you can see, there was a red candle in the first 3 minutes, followed by a retracement towards 20 EMA in 3-minute time frame, followed by breakdown of the support. So that is my basis of taking this trade. Let's see how it turns out. There's a little bit of retracement opportunity left because of the sharp fall again from the 20 EMA. But let's see what happens. Let's see how it's. Okay, Apollo Hospital is also on my radar. It has given a breakdown. However, I'm a little skeptical about this trade. The reason being that it's been falling for the last 2 days. If you see on 1-minute time frame, there has been a massive fall from 5139 to 447. That's a fall of about 700 points. So I don't know how much more it can fall. So that's why I'm a little skeptical, but I will definitely monitor this trade today. Date, I haven't taken any other trade as of now. As you can see, Apollo tire almost went to take my stop loss, but it gave a sharp reversal from the zone. So right now it's in a small loss. I'll update you if anything happens if I take any trade. So guys, I've placed another order here, and this is for Biocon. The reason behind this was it opened gap up today, gave a good run up in the morning, consolidated for a while. I had been eyeing this, so I actually wanted to buy it on this breakout. However, since it was trading very far away from again the 20 moving average, I waited for a little bit of retrace, and it has now finally given me a good momentum. So I'm just kind of waiting for another bit of retrace because I think it can still touch the 10 EMA on the 5-minute time frame before it heads up higher. So and I have put my stop loss below this consolidation zone. Target is 1:1. Taken up another trade in SRT Fin. Actually, this trade was not taken according to my plan. Because typically I would have gone for a stop loss here, but then I need a 1:1.5 risk reward ratio. So I have put my stop loss here now, and if it does go in my direction, I'm going to add in more quantities. So as you can see here, Biocon never really came down. It covered the target in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles fairly quickly with huge volumes. So yeah. Update, I haven't really taken any other trade because the market is behaving a little choppy. It's stuck in this zone, which is a support resistance zone. So I haven't seen a lot of movement. This Apollo tire is, as you can see, is also stuck in this support area. The reason I have marked this is I also noticed that this is the support zone with a rounding bottom, and if it does give a proper closure below uh, this, then it should fall and hit my target easily. Now moving on to the next trade that I am in, which is, so as you can see, this almost took my stop loss, but now it has kind of started moving in the right direction. But let's see, I will enter with more quantities once I can find it below, once it gives a closure below 1178. Hi guys, welcome back. And as you can see, I added 8 more quantities once it gave a trend line breakout here, along with the breach of this particular low. And however, it has reversed since then, which honestly I was doubtful about, but I had to take that chance. Given that overall Nifty outlook was negative, I took that chance. And about Apollo Tires is constantly getting support from this 230 region, exactly where I entered. And so far, the combined losses are in the tune of about 189 rupees. Let's see if they hit my stop loss or they go towards my target. Hi guys, so quick update. From the looks of it, it does look like I'm going to end the day with proper stop losses. I'm not going to take any more trades today. Reason being, the markets, I'm totally not able to understand it today because they are stuck in this in this range. If you carefully see, it's still stuck here in this range of 17,950 to 18,070. So coming to the trades that I have taken, it has given a closing and a crossover, 10 and 20 EMA crossover. So it looks highly likely from here that it will go on and end up hitting my stop loss. But I'm going to wait because, like I said, Nifty is still in the range, so anything can happen. I'm not going to pay too much attention to the moving averages in a sideways market. Now coming to SRT Fin, this is also hovering close to my stop loss, and it can hit it any movement. It's coming on the back of strong volumes. Let's see if this would be the last hurdle. Yeah, looks like it's going to take my stop loss away. Let's see. Very close to hitting my stop loss. There's strong buyers coming in with the spike in volumes. So yeah, the stop loss is hit. Talking about the trades that I have taken, Apollo Tires is again back to cost, like 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth time in the day it's finally taking the support from that particular zone where I entered. So my plan here now is going to be that if it does give me a breakdown below 229.95, this level, sorry, not 95, 229.2, 229.3, basically this support line, what I'm going to do is I am going to trail my stop loss to this swing high, because I've been in this trade for way too long, and there's a high chance if it does give me a breakdown here, it may carry on the momentum. Hi traders, so like we can see, Apollo Tires is still kind of stuck in the sideways market, and it is taking some kind of rejection from this particular zone which I had marked earlier. So sorry, I think so. Yeah, it is taking rejection from this particular zone, and if it breaks out on the higher side, it is going to take my stop loss most likely. And looking at the PNL, it is not looking good at all. It looks like I'm going to breach the 400 mark today and for loss. Hi guys, so quick update. I have booked my stop loss in both the trades now. The total loss stands at 376.55, and I'll quickly give you an update on what happened in this trade. So if you look at the bigger time frame, I realized that my stock selection was completely wrong. Like I was describing in the last video, it was forming a double bottom pattern. I also realized there was a formation of a triangle pattern at the support level, and it gave a breakout and a retest right here. So hence I decided to I never trail this stop loss here. So hence anyway I decided to cut my losses. And similarly, if you see SRT Finance, I checked later on an RD time frame, and again it was uh, like I think I showed it in the previous video also. I was trying to short it at support levels, again due to which the trade failed significantly. I mean, like even if I look at it from a flag and pole pattern perspective, you can see this forming here. It's going to retest before coming back again. So always, I think the lesson from today's trades is that higher time frames have to be looked at for sure whenever you're taking an intraday trade, unless it's a very quick scalp on a 1 minute time frame. But yeah, for these trades with higher stop losses, with bigger stop loss and bigger profits, one definitely needs to make sure that the bigger time frames are taken care of. So guys, that is going to be it for today. If you did like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to drop in the comment sections below. I will be personally responding to each and every one of them. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.